Hello everybody!
Good morning!
And welcome to Palmanova Day 8. It's a very sad day today, isn't it?
Very, very sad day today.
It's currently 8:10 and we are currently waiting for the bus to pick us up to go back to the airport.
To then go home.
To go get on a plane and then drive back home. It's so sad.
It really is.
You've got to look on the bright side though, didn't you? We've had the most amazing time.
Yeah.
We vlogged it, so this is something incredible to look back on.
Yeah.
We've given people some information.
Yeah.
Haven't we? We've showed them what you can do in Palmanova.
Yeah, a few people have actually asked us for help.
That's crazy. That's crazy, isn't it? But
My belly's rumbling, you know.
You're hungry.
What time did you say it was?
8:10.
I'm gonna be hungry.
We
We normally don't even have breakfast yet.
Oh yeah, we don't have breakfast left. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I think it's because I know I'm not eating it until like.
We could have went down for breakfast.
I don't think we'd have had time, babes. We were only ready like 10 minutes ago, then we sat on Instagram, posted a picture in silence.
So we're just going to take our bags down now and just thought we'd give a little intro to our last Palmanova vlog.
Our travel home day.
Yeah, so travel with us again.
I feel like we're going to have to treat ourselves in the airport, you know.
What do you mean? To
I
what?
don't know, fancying a treat, I don't know what.
A treat?
Yeah.
We'll have to have a look. Can't wait for a treat.
Okay then, we'll see you soon.
Okay, we'll see you soon. This is us right now, guys. We're so sad. Didn't you? We're so sad. These are our suitcases. Oh, sorry, Din, just hurting your arm. And we're just waiting for the bus. Bye, Globalas. Bye, Palmanova. Bye, Dinny. For you guys, we are now just heading to our gate.
As you've just seen, we just had Burger King and we're big fatties.
And it wasn't even 11 o'clock, it was like 10:30, but that's what you do on holidays, isn't it, Dinny?
Yeah, and now we're walking up again.
We are.
And we're also getting started.
We are. But I don't even care. If this holiday has taught me anything, Dinny, it's that I'm never going to see these people again.
Oh, sorry, I'll forget.
Yeah, you just got to take his advice, don't you, Din?
Yeah.
You know how many people we can see like staring at us through the camera when we watch it back?
I know, it's everybody like behind you see it.
Yeah, they're just probably looking like with a stare. It's alright because we've had quite a lot of people stare at us on holiday because, you know, Danielle likes to be extra, which I am in love with, and everybody just goes, watches you walk by like that and you're just like, what? Get picture, last longer. Actually, watch our videos and then you can see more of us.
That's all I got, then.
Chocolate bang. I'll pass it here. What is it?
150.
50, 50, 50. Hello. Hello.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The video it names.
Tried. I just exchanged 3 50-cents, real money, into 3 50-cent chocolates. That's so good, considering that you can't change. You can't exchange coins back into the normal rate, so change them into chocolate. Can you really go wrong?
Better deal for me.
Better deal for me and Alden. You've got sweets for the plane, I've got none, and these 50-cent chocolates will do me just fine. Guys, I'm on the window seat because my ticket says so, and Danielle's making me sit in the middle. It's not going to happen.
It is.
It's not?
You best. Wait till we get on this plane. See where I'm sat. It's going to be the window.
But my ticket says so. Your ticket says
And then I'm sweating.
So am I. It's warm, isn't it?
Se ha llamado PMR.
Thank you.
Sí, a las 11:20.
travelling for half an hour. I don't know how long it's going to be, but just update you whenever. So guys,
I'm so excited, I've got a cup of tea.
Finally a cup of tea from Greg's. We've just come to Greg's because we have just landed safely, thanks to Jet 2. And
You sound like you're giving a speech.
I know, yeah, and yeah,
What do I look like?
gorgeous.
Because my lips got like a blue line.
Yeah, there's nothing on your lips except on the top. There's a little faint blue line on the top.
Turned my jumper inside out to sleep on it and Nathan's shoulder and dribbled all on it and there was blue lipstick all over it.
Yeah, we're just chilling here in Greg's. We eat something and then we're just going to have a nice little drive. Oh, I just got a chicken and bacon toasty and Danielle got a savoury mince pie.
Ooh, is that what I got?
Yeah, he had one, so you didn't need a... I can't remember what else you asked for.
Chicken bake.
A chicken bake, yeah. You didn't need one of them because you had a mince pie.
Oh, maybe it's because I didn't stir it. That could be why. I thought I put a bit too many sauce. Hey guys, I spilled mince pie on my jumper.
You're a bloody mess.
It was only a tiny bit.
Oh, you can barely see it, that's alright. Tell them what we're doing then.
We're waiting for the bus
To go where?
to the car park along.
And then...
Courtesy coach, Longstay car.
So guys, we've just decided we don't want to wait for the bus. And it's only a 6-minute... Am I even in it?
Yeah.
And it's only a 6-minute walk to the car park, so...
Probably can't hear, like she's like whispering.
We've decided we're just going to walk to the car park. Is that better for you, Din? We're just walking because it's only 6 minutes.
And the bus is not there.
But it'll probably come by the time we're like... Oh,
Is it ringing?
I'm pretty sure... Oh no, that's a double-decker.
Oh,
I
man.
think it's a double-decker bus, is it?
I don't think so. What?
You have to beat it, didn't he? Because it'll all be for nothing.
Then it won't be for nothing. Oh. No, it's alright, it's gone, Ninny.
Careful, watch the road.
Okay. We made it.
We did,
What a trek.
thankfully.
What a trek with 3 cases. Wow.
Well, I had 2 of them. I had both of the 21.5 kilograms. Who needs a gym when you've got suitcases, Din?
Okay, we'll see you when we get home.
See you soon.
Keep your eyes on the road.
2 packets, Din.
2 for you.
Oh yeah. Hi guys, so we finished our little travelling in the car and now we've came at Sainsbury's because, as we told you, we are getting biscuits tonight and these 2 packets are for me. And just me.
No,
You're not
you're
allowed
having
any.
1 packet.
Alright, I'll have 1 packet. And what else are you getting, Din?
Knickknacks.
Knickknacks? Honestly, I'm not even bothered about vlogging anymore, Ginny. After all them people in Spain walking past me all the time, I'm really not even bothered. People look at me. No, honestly, right, I'll just do this.
Ninny, help me pick some biscuits.
What biscuits do you want? Dinny?
What?
What are they? We're just getting our snacks for tonight and then getting our takeaway later on. Gotta go, she can't find biscuits on her own apparently. Danielle said we're hunting for eggs and I can't find them anywhere. Danielle, where are they?
This in the
What's all that?
spinach and beans for dinner tomorrow.
Oh, better get some pasta then.
What are you having?
Chicken pasta.
Chicken pasta.
Yeah. Are we starting something all again?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow's the key word. Look, I thought it would have been down with like the breads and the cakes and stuff. This is just tea bags, Dinny. There is no eggs. And that's just cereal where you're going. I've already looked down here. Dinny, they don't do eggs. I've been down these aisles 5 times since you've been gone. Since you've been gone. No, Dinny, I thought, like, why can't it all just be normal, like Tesco? Like, have your eggs near this stuff? Well, Dinny, it's a lot easier to find in Tesco.
Not really.
We are running around like headless chickens, trying to find eggs. I'm gonna have to go and ask. No, I'm gonna have to go and ask somebody. Excuse me, you couldn't tell me where the eggs are, could you?
Yeah.
I feel like I'll probably walk past them like 6 times.
Don't worry, you'll be surprised when people
Yeah.
ask this question. They're just silent as well. Just under that.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. I've been pointed in the direction, guys. And they are right down here. I don't know where Danielle's gone. She has vanished from me, but here they are. I found them. Danielle's got lost somewhere. Right, free range. Should we go for the Happy Egg Core? I think so. Happy Egg Core, 10 large. Let's just check them. Perfect. Okay, time to find Danielle again. Now this is just another task trying to find Danielle. Probably harder than the eggs.
Thank you. Lovely, thank you very much.
I found her. Danielle? Danielle? I found them. I got them.
What pasta do you want?
Spirally, please.
Yeah, do you want to pick it up then? Considering all your guys to come with the eggs.
This is me. Which one do you like? Twirly pasta?
I mean, it all tastes the same.
It doesn't. Do you want the added fibre one?
No,
Or just
not
want the
really,
normal?
Just normal means you've had enough fibre and fat.
Should we just get the... Oh no, I don't like quick cook. Now that does taste different.
What
Quick cook to normal.
Right, come on.
Right. Do you need any help there, Din?
Just get the chicken, let's go.
Get the chicken, let's go. Come on then. Got a basket, guys. What? What pillow? Oh, it's just baby pink.
Yeah, it's £7.50.
Oh,
I like that
Dinny.
as well.
Why don't you put them in there before you drop them? Good girl. Oh, have you got spinach?
Yeah, young spinach is cold.
Yummy. Oh, young spinach. Oh.
Look how cute is this?
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like that. This is becoming like a
nice
little...
for the khakis bowl, wouldn't it?
Come shopping with us at Sainsbury's. It'll go nice with what?
As like as the khakis bowl.
Khaki. Oh, like car keys.
What with our keys in?
Oh yeah, that'd be
I
cute.
like this though.
That's cute. If you want it, just get it.
No, I've only got £20 in. We're gonna let you running out of money.
Right, what else do we need? Chicken. Come on, chicken.
And you need drinks, Ninny?
Oh, drinks first. Pepsi Max or Coke Zero, whichever. See, Danielle likes to do this a lot. Danielle likes to get lost when we go shopping. She tells me to go one way and then she goes another. And we end up losing each other. Oh, she's there. Have we only got £20?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Let's hope it's enough.
That'd be Ninny. I'm embarrassed.
Oh, Danielle got peppers by the way because you didn't.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'd let you off because you probably couldn't carry them anywhere.
Can you do it sparingly? Sparingly. Because you've only got £20. Oh my god, Jim. I even have to... Oh, Jimmy, it's not the draw, because we just can't hold it. You've done it. Is it done? Are you sure what's left? Is that it?
Hi guys,
Hey.
we're back home. We've got our takeaway. Danielle's got pizza and I've got Chinese.
And we're holding a flashlight.
And we are
It's
because
so dingy.
the lighting's awful.
We're exhausted.
We are exhausted. It's
I
true.
can't wait to eat and go to bed.
But Dinny, this has to be exciting because it's the end of our Palmanova holiday. The end of our Palmanova vlogs.
Yeah.
We really hope you guys enjoyed watching it
Yeah, we really do.
each day, and I hope you've got some little bits of inspiration, even for a holiday in general. Just have a look at the local things that are around you and look at cool places to visit, because a lot of ours was wanting to explore as much as we can, wasn't it, Din?
Yeah.
And getting the most out of our
Oh my god, I'm sick.
getting the most out of our holiday that we can.
Yeah.
Hold that light a bit down, Din, I think.
Sorry.
Oh.
My arm is aching.
Right, just leave without the light. So yeah, thank you so much for watching again.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up and a like.
Big thumbs up and a like. Yes.
And subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed these ones. We will see you in another video. Peace out. Sorry.